guys, let's just unpack kule ndaba ka-Owami elahlekelwa izinto. As I realize now ukuthi actually she lost a lot of things, a lot of work, and it could happen to me nami as a YouTuber, you know. Although I was saying ukuthi mina I'm still using my phone. Yabona ukuthi mina ngisamncane, ngisakhula ngingane encane, for example. So I did a video as well. Ngikucelela nkosami Owami ngoba abantu ngifila ukuthi uyicolleague yami ukuthi bamsize. Khona abanye bangitshelana bese wena sicela ukuthi please usiyekele because and lo muntu unemali. What must happen? And then the other ones that I was reading yesterday, ama video akhe when ukuthi like she was doing abantu like spiritual, like that guy she interviewed who was talking about ukuthi ene mina nginezibhuku ezingilandela imali khona uthe indaba angathumeli labo bantu bamlandela into zakhe laziye khona. Guys, like people just don't get it. Yes, and she was crying guys. Owami, she was crying so hard. And manje noPalisa umuntu kaSomizi baningane together bahumi ngizom identify kanjalo so that you get who I'm talking about. Khona abanye abantu you have to identify them like that, you know. Palisa na uyakhala uthi because you don't know how much she lost. I think she lost like 4 episodes, a hard drives futhi nakhona, a few cameras, lenses, almost everything, equipment yakhe that she uses to, like, she started all over basically, you know, because anyway she was left with her phone, guys. Oh, so yabona ukuthi there's two worlds when it comes to this thing, this cry yakhe uPalisa beno Owami lokukhala. There's two worlds. Khona bathi they can recover those things. They can actually pay them, even though she says Owami she didn't have insurance. People are like, she can afford it. Khona nongitshela straight ukuthi Owami uhola almost 70,000 on the other channel le ya 300,000 ichannel yakona. Kulena ke entsho uhola malini ngoba she has so many views there. So yabona guys, mina I've done my best ngizamela ukuthi ngimkhulumele Owami, guys, and life is hard. Ayifani impilo for all of us. And someone was even saying ukuthi I did tell you ukuthi yona Owami you getting darker and darker lento yakho uhamba uinterviewana nabantu abayinyanga and spiritual healers and all sorts of that. Why can't they help you now get your things? Guys, you've seen the comments on social media. You've seen them. I'm just like, guys, like I'm saying, good, there's two worlds. I did say even on Sunday, good, there's two worlds on this lezi story manje. Ngaphuma acwecwe naye uhambile futhi online again ukuyokhuluma ukuthi okay iNPA icala lami liyekile, it's fine ke mina ke kodwa ngikhuluma manga. Yeah, khona uthe NASAPS into abayaziyo, they don't follow the truth bayenzela abangani. I'm just like, wow. So uthi uma kacwecwe ese ku live noPhiwe yena akanandaba uhamba naba ahamba naye. Uyibona lonto mina I believed the first time. Obviously you'll get confused as time goes on ngoba uzwa izinto ngapha nangapha amadlebe they are just too much now. They're hearing a lot of things. She's like, she doesn't care at the stage. She knows the truth, and the truth is what she told us. Yeah, ukuthi ingane yadlo inkulwa and unayo i-medical report for that, and bakanandaba. At the end of the day, people can say whatever they want to say. She is going with whoever is going with her. She doesn't care. She doesn't give actually what people think. She's reached that point, like she's tired. So I just wanted to tell you this story. She just feels like akanandaba namahawks. Decide whatever they want to decide. They can drop the case. They can do whatever they want. But she knows the truth, and she went through this thing. And I did say on my first video, at times people will say stuff and they don't know what you've gone through. Like I'm saying, you can see it's legit, and she's fra, guys. She went through the most, and people are like, "Aye, you can afford it." But she didn't budget for that, guys, this month. Using laptops and stuff, so many things. How much is that? I guess at the end of the day, all of those things, she can't buy them overnight. I think let's maybe look at it this way, you know. Mrs. J akasabi lutho. She went on to go to social media to talk about the production, to say ukuthi the Mami Club how she was treated, ingane zakhe azangeboniswa, which is the truth. Remember, I kept on saying ukuthi uphela guys, what does she care? Because ingane zakhe thina sikasize siyibona. Like ufana nejiji basically. Elingakaze lithintwe akanayo ingane. The Mommy Club, but why are we calling it the Mommy Club then? Ukubona lonto bathi ingane ayiboniswa uthi the episodes were short where there's children, but the children were not aired. They didn't air that part where the children were showing. I'm just like, ibenzani about the Mommy Club production? Why would they do that? Because they know very well this is the Mommy Club. Sifuna ukubona ingane no mama ukuthi bayiphatha kanjani ingane. We learning it from that. And they've been showing on season 1 and season 2. Ingane bayibonisa zonke ingane nonini bazo proper. Onini ababonwa akwenzakali next isiziphelile the Mommy Club. We never even saw one nanny nje chilling with us. Like for example. So she's like, yeah, she doesn't understand. And I can see good, you know what? It's either the Mommy Club is not gonna come back. I saw it sebenayo manje go Tanzania. It was like Tanzania even. The housewives of Tanzania, but you have a Mommy Club there. I don't think it's coming back. If it does come back, ngathi ngasakwazi ukubuyisa sisters ngoba manje ukhipha indaba, expose indaba that you feel like we saw those numbers, but you're just like, why are you not showing the babies? We want to see the sprogs, the children. Why are you not showing the that's how we normally sometimes call them, say some sprogs. Our sprogs. Sifuna ukwabona wena owavezi uthena ka understandanga. And she does show us that video where ingane zazi thathwa ama camera of the production, but asiboniswa. What was that all about, guys? I wonder. Just let me know what you think about that. But I was just like, naba no sisters baba amajiji ubonakala nonini. But I guess ekaphela di mhlambe the husband was like, ingane ihlala nami sis, please, you cannot be having my children shown on TV. That's not gonna happen on my watch anyway. Mhlambe, you know, we don't know, guys. But let's just leave it there, guys. For now, so later. Thank you so much for your supporting. Ngithanda over.